Hello, Assante Nation. I am your president, Dr. JJ Levine. Thank you for joining me for this launch of our newest product, USDA Certified Organic Cinnamon Oil. Cinnamon is one of the most popular as well as oldest herbs for flavoring and medicinal uses. It originated in tropical Asia and was particularly widely used in Sri Lanka and India. Now the shrub is grown in almost every tropical region of the world. The herb, owing to its vast medicinal uses, has found a prominent position in ancient medicines, especially Ayurveda, which is the traditional Indian medicinal system. Historically, cinnamon has been used in many cultures for treating a variety of health disorders, including, but not limited to, diarrhea, arthritis, menstrual cramps, heavy menstruation, yeast infections, colds, flu, and even digestive problems. Cinnamon was valued in ancient Egypt not only as a medicine and beverage flavoring, but also as an embalming agent. Cinnamon is also mentioned in the Bible. Cinnamon was so precious that it was considered more valuable than gold throughout some of its history. As many of you are aware, we are witnessing a big problem. Many uneducated people use products on a daily basis that contain toxic ingredients and pesticides proven to be absorbed into the body and even passed on during fetal development. Too many people are using products with severe and dangerous side effects. At Assante Organics, we are constantly looking for solutions which help people as well as the planet. We thank you, our wellness warriors, in assisting us in our mission. We appreciate you helping us educate the planet. Our newest addition to our rapidly expanding catalog of everyday toxic-free and organic living products is the launch of our USDA certified organic cinnamon therapeutic essential oil. Think about all the people you know who are suffering with decreased libido, aches, discomfort, low immunity, overactive yeast, poor digestion, blood sugar imbalances, and circulation challenges. I'd also like you to think about the people you know who use dangerous insect repellents. The products most people reach for first often contain cheap and harmful, yet legal, ingredient fillers that deliver dangerous and sometimes lethal side effects. The worst part is when discussing pharmaceuticals, most of these products only mask symptoms. Other companies in and out of our industry of network marketing put their profits before the health of their consumers. This is so obvious when you read their ingredient labels. I mentioned decreased libido or sex drive. This is something the pharmaceutical industry is selling to both men and women in the form of hormone replacement therapy, or what they refer to as HRT. For men, the drug company's product is testosterone. In 2009, the Cleveland Clinic concluded some of the harmful side effects for men using testosterone are breast enlargement, decreased testicle size, sleep apnea, changes in cholesterol, increased red cell count, decreased sperm count, infertility, and increased risk of prostate cancer. Also in 2009, a federally funded study was actually canceled early because of increased risk of heart attack to the participants being administered testosterone. A 2014 study concluded men 65 years old or greater are 2 times more likely to suffer heart attacks because of taking testosterone. And if that's not bad enough, men under the age of 65 with a heart history are 3 times more likely to have a heart attack because of testosterone. Women are also being targeted by the pharmaceutical industry for decreased sex drive and are being sold hormone replacement therapy in the form of estrogen, progesterone, and other synthetic hormone replacement therapies. What's shocking is, as long ago as 1991, the National Institutes of Health set up the Women's Health Initiative. This was the largest clinical trial ever done in the United States of America to investigate hormone replacement therapy. This study was also canceled early due to the dangerous increased risks of ovarian and breast cancer, stroke, heart disease, and blood clots in females being administered hormone replacement therapies. The findings were published in the Journal of American Medical Association, JAMA, and they've never been challenged. Another big issue is how many people are using what they feel are safe insect repellents. 1/3 of Americans use insect repellents containing a dangerous toxin, DEET, D-E-E-T. The chemical name is N,N-diethyl-3-methylbenzamide. Studies found exposure to DEET can lead to allergic reactions, brain swelling leading to death, cognition difficulties, memory loss, loss of muscle coordination, muscle weakness, and even problems walking and neurotoxicity. DEET was originally used by the United States Army in Vietnam to ward off mosquitoes. Agent Orange herbicides more readily absorbed in the presence of DEET. The EPA, the Environmental Protection Agency field test, discovered that DEET is found in 75% of water streams tested in the United States of America. Pregnant women should be very cautious and stay away from these products, as test results conclude DEET entered mammal skin and passed through the placenta of pregnant animals. We teach here at Assante Organics what goes on your skin goes in your bloodstream in seconds. We also must realize what goes on the skin of a pregnant mother often goes right into the developing baby's bloodstream. Studies found that cinnamon leaf oil may even be more effective at repelling mosquitoes than the toxic chemical DEET. Using organic toxic-free substances provided in nature makes more sense than using products which contain toxic chemicals. Now the crazy thing is, cinnamon oil not only works better as an insect repellent, coincidentally, many of the benefits from cinnamon oil use are the exact opposite of the negative side effects from exposure to DEET. Assante Organics Solution is offering our third-party certified USDA organic cinnamon oil, which has no harmful pesticides and no dangerous side effects. We continue to offer the greatest value here at Assante Organics. Our organic cinnamon oil is more proof of that. Our cinnamon oil is certified organic where the competition is not, and we offer 15 milliliters versus the competitor's non-organic 5 milliliters. We're literally providing you 3 times more oil and at a better quality oil for the same price as the competition. We continue to offer a better price for higher quality and organic oils. This equals better value with Assante Organic essential oils for you conscious consumers. Let's talk a little bit more about our organic cinnamon oil. The Latin name is Cinnamomum zeylanicum. The parts used is the leaf. We get it in the country of origin, which is Sri Lanka. The cultivation method is USDA organic, as we've discussed. But I do want to discuss the difference, and this is very, very important, between the cinnamon tree and the cassia tree. There are 2 types of cinnamon grown and harvested today. Cinnamon, which is Ceylon cinnamon or true cinnamon, that's what we use, and cassia, which is marketed and sold in United States of America stores as cinnamon. The 2 spices taste and smell similar, yet they're grown and harvested in 2 very different regions. Assante Organic certified organic cinnamon essential oil is steam distilled from the leaves of actual USDA organic Ceylon cinnamon trees, which grow indigenously in Sri Lanka. It's a South Asian island formerly named Ceylon. The true cinnamon trees on this island are tropical evergreens, and they grow along the western Colombo coast of the island. Ceylon cinnamon from Sri Lanka is the finest and the only true cinnamon available, in addition to the cinnamon trees that grows naturally in southern India. Americans actually spice foods and teas with cassia, a common cousin tree to the cinnamon tree. Cassia is from a close relative plant of cinnamon. There are many different varieties of cassia which are classified according to where it was planted. Most cassia is grown in Vietnam, Saigon, Indonesia, and China. Consider sniffing different types of cassia samples labeled as cinnamon the next time you find yourself at a local grocery store in the United States. You'll recognize differences between all the cassia varieties. Cassia comes from the hard, dried inner bark of the cassia tree to form the common, less expensive cinnamon sticks most Americans use in whole and ground form. The health benefits of real cinnamon can be attributed to its antibacterial, antifungal, antimicrobial, astringent, and anti-clotting properties. Cinnamon is rich in essential minerals such as manganese, iron, and calcium, while also having a high content of fiber. Organic cinnamon oil has been shown to help reduce discomfort and aches, including toothaches, swelling and spasm, dry heaves, buildup of toxins, fungi and bacteria in the form of yeast and mold, etc. It has been even shown to assist with sexual apathy. Cinnamon oil has been shown to improve circulation. It actually causes a warming effect for the body. Detoxification actually helps assist in the sweating process. Helps with respiration, digestion, immunity, libido, as we've discussed a little bit before, and even antioxidant levels. Research at the Wheeling Jesuit University in the United States has proven the scent of cinnamon has the ability to boost brain activity. The team of researchers, led by Dr. P. Zolads, found that people who were given cinnamon improved their scores on cognitive activities such as attention span, virtual recognition memory, working memory, and visual motor response speed. Now let's talk a little bit about diabetes. Cinnamon has the ability to control blood sugar, so diabetics find it very useful because cinnamon aids them in using less insulin. Research has shown that it particularly is helpful for patients suffering from type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes patients are not able to regulate their insulin levels properly. Researchers at the United States Department of Agriculture's Human Nutrition Research Center in Beltsville, Maryland, studied the effect of various food substances that include cinnamon on blood sugar levels. They found that a water-soluble polyphenol compound called MHCP, which is abundant in cinnamon, synergistically acted with insulin and helped in the better utilization of that vital component of human health. Certified USDA organic cinnamon oil is now available on your Assante Organics website. I thank you, Wellness Warriors, in advance for sharing the knowledge you've gained from this presentation. There is a tremendous need for people to learn that they can decrease their dependency on toxic chemicals. Nature provides so many organic and toxic-free solutions. As revealed in this overview, it's more than just preventing terrible side effects from avoiding products with cheap toxic ingredients. With organic botanicals, you can receive positive health improvements all the while getting better results with what nature provides for us. Thank you for joining us. Goodbye, everybody.